7-Eleven.
2850 asterisk. 아이스크림 할인점.
Gabi na, kaya wala rin.
No, it's closed. Yun yung 낚시. yun yung 소중. See you.
Hindi mo rin.
See you is yung their convenience store. Jeju.
Ano yan? Bakit ano pa nalagay mo sa sa'yo yung battery?
We're walking.
We're walking.
Ooh. Jeju National.
Bumili ka na. Ikaw gusto mo?
Ano yan?
Ikaw gusto mo?
Tonkatsu?
Meatball. Chicken katsu. Meatball. Chicken katsu. Ito, wedgie. Don mokko. Don wori. Modo ta, wedgie. Lahat daw wedgie. Lahat pink.
Pati yung kakain.
Ito na?
Jeju.
Pati yung laing wedgie.
Noodles.
Oh, ito. Oh. Bulgogi. Bulgogi. Bacon. Bacon.
Ham. Fancy. Kim.
Bacon. Ham bacon with mayonnaise.
Ham and tuna kimchi rice. Ooh. Bigger one.
Too much varieties. And then you can eat soup. Renjango. Lagyan na hot water tapos. Okay na.
Okay.
Una sa'yo.
We will choose what to eat. And then letters.
Pumila ka na. Pili. Come on. Okay.
Miyokko.
Choose this one. Miyokko. Milk.
좋아요?
그래. Drinks. Drinks.
드링크스?
Drinks.
치즈.
Cheese. Cheese.
2+1. You brought some.
Okay.
바나나 우유. 커피.
Coffee.
Coffee. Coffee roll.
Okay. We have to choose because we have to pay first.
It's already
Cold. No, not cold. We want hot. Let's pay for that first. Okay?
Okay, you pay because I don't know.
Also. Yeah, hot.
Hazelnut, Americano.
Ayan, lalagyan mo lang ng hot water. Sige na,
What do
pili
you
ka
want?
na. Hazelnut. Maxine. French cafe. Ikaw na mamili.
Hazelnut flavor.
Hazelnut.
You want hazelnut?
Okay.
$300 for everything.
YouTube. YouTube 아세요?
감사합니다.
I have to go and put water and. Oh, dear. 하세요. She will do the job. She will do the job because I paid for it. Migo.
Seaweed soup. Miyoko.
Miyok.
And it comes in a sachet. Ooh. Looks like a cracker.
Cracker.
Yeah.
Okay, this one we put here. This one hot water dispenser. So how can I do it with holding one camera? No, dangerous. Dangerous. Okay, this one is Wenjangguk.
Open the certain lines.
Okay, put it here.
Cover.
Okay.
Wait for it to magically.
Magically go. First meal in Jeju is instant food.
Instant food.
Okay.
This is the only reason why I went here. To eat that seaweed.
See you. Okay.
See you at 7-Eleven.
See you at 7-Eleven. No, see you lang. Okay, this is coffee.
Cafe
Yeah.
Americano.
So this is how instant coffee here in Korea. It comes in a cup.
And wait for it. Dun, 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 dun. In a pouch. So it's like
Ah.
tea. So it's pretty much. You brew it.
Bago yun ah. May ako nakita yan ah. Ah, Americano kasi. Okay, put it there also.
Come on.
No. Chuk, chuk, chuk. Let's see this one. It's hazelnut.
Hazelnut plain. This is powder.
Powder.
Oh, let's see.
Is it?
It's also in a pouch.
Oh, looks new ah.
Hazelnut flavor. It's like brewed. Oh, it smells good.
Oh.
Sorry.
Ooh, it smells like hazelnut.
Because it is.
Okay, so we will put everything here and wait it brew while we make hot dog main dish. This one's the main dish. Okay, come on.
We'll do
Do it.
that veggie.
We'll do that veggie. It's all
Everything
pork. It's all pork, it says.
And it's
How much is this?
864
How much did we
kilocalories.
pay for this one? How much did you pay for this one? Ah, 4,001. 4,301. So it's around $4. Less than $4. So magkano in Philippine peso?
200?
200 this one? 200 pesos?
But it's already a complete meal.
Hindi siya mahal? Hindi siya mahal? Hindi. Okay. Hindi daw siya mahal, sabi ni AP.
Well, if you will like gauge it in the Philippines, it would be expensive getting it from a convenience store. Pero since it's a complete meal, I mean you can get the similar things, but not within the entire thing. For example, just rice and one ulam is around 60 to 70 pesos.
Okay.
So if you get it like this, well, should I keep it covered?
Yeah, keep it covered and then we'll put it in the microwave. Alright?
How long?
For as long as we need to. This one is 1 minute. 1 minute. Ilbun. Shipbun. This is
Shipbun?
seconds. 10 seconds.
Maybe this?
Mm.
Start.
And then we wait. We wait and we dance.
Wait. And we throw the trash.
Okay, she will throw the trash. You have to segregate it. Segregate.
This is
Yeah.
bottle.
So, can and bottle.
Bottle.
Yeah, bottle. Pushi
Pushi.
and bean cup. Cup and usual. Plastic or this one.
Oh.
Majayo. Okay, we're correct. And this is still turning.
We don't have spoon.
Okay.
Or we just...
We'll wait for it. Okay. Time to taste.
You cook. It smells like the sea.
And tastes like the sea.
It's like the sea. Salty.
Salty.
But not that much. Not overwhelming. It has a nice seaweed taste.
Pero yung mga hindi gusto ng
No.
ng
Seaweed?
seaweed, hindi magugustuhan yan. It's the actual seaweed. Ang lasa.
Lasang seaweed. Mango. Taste your doenjang.
This is doenjang ko. It's still hot. I don't eat hot. I don't drink hot. Okay. Okay, let's taste what's it. Tell me what's this. Sausage. Pork.
What? Sweet.
Sweet. I think this is spicy. This one's spicy, right? And this one is
It looks sweet.
sweet with soy sauce, I think. Soy sauce. Ano siya? Huh? Pork? Beef? Pork? Sweet. Sweet? Sweet, okay. And this is the traditional sausage. Hot dog. It's what do you call that?
Ojingo.
Ojingo. What's ojingo?
Ojingo sausage.
What's ojingo? Okay, squid. Okay.
It's just a
But it doesn't.
sausage.
Yeah, it's not actually made of squid.
It doesn't taste.
Okay, taste it na. Tell them. You eat the whole ojingo. Tastes like chicken, pork. It's everything is pork. This one.
Like meatballs.
Meatballs.
It looks like it.
Taste everything and then we'll
Spicy.
spicy, sweet and spicy.
But it kind of feels like parang fishball texture,
Parang fishball.
but it's pork flavor.
That one.
It has something like that inside. But it's just sweet.
Ah. And this is the banchan.
And
Panchan.
this is like
Radish?
Spam?
Spam. Ah. Spam? Oh, spam. Okay.
spam kimchi.
Spam. Oh, spam kimchi. And I think this is potato.
Potato.
Okay. So overall, what can you say? It's okay. It's okay daw. Diba? This is what you call doshirak. Diba? In Japanese, what is this? In Japanese?
Bento.
Bento. Okay. Ito yung equal.
Lunchbox.
Doshirak is lunchbox. Ayan. So, when you go to convenience store here in Korea, you will find these doshirak, and all of this in the convenience store. So actually now we are in see you.
See you later.
See you later. Okay, we will eat na this one. Okay, later.